you know about this?
This is slightly
You're a
familiar.
massive arsehole. I'm going. I thought I was the only person in Australia with these wheels.
No. John said you'd recognise the wheels.
Wow.
Surprise!
Wow, this car is painted in its Ford Flagship, clear-coloured candy apple built by Emerson Kitchell while working at DC for Performance.
This car was used as a prototype for a red air intake system utilising the body skids to supply the engine with air. The design based on the Mustang Ram air system. The engine has 4 40 heads of tongues, solid cams, and has been dynoed at over 550 RWAP. Nicknamed the Rocket. The car was raced in hill climbs, circuit racing at Phillip Island, and FPV club racing days. Whilst the Emerson Kitchell and the Rocket are extremely fast for travelling forward, it turns out that Emerson can't reverse. Due to this ineptitude, this vehicle has been donated to the NAMT on a permanent basis, but only because it has to be in reverse gear.
Oh my god. With
And gotcha.
friends like these. Oh my god. The gaps on this thing are so much better than they used to be.
For Emerson Kitchell, okay now.
I like the cool
I saw them resistance, I'm like, how'd you be the only set of wheels in the country and a guy with the same type of car as mine's got them as well? They must have copied me.
Yeah.
My hands are shaking.
I got the moment he made this.
Stopping our video.
That's cool. Honey, can we use this as our wedding car now?
What?
Oh my
Alright.
god.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, with the girls in the computer. Let me go back a bit so I can get the whole car in.
Okay.
Is it? Oh, look at that.
Oh my god, you played a matching rescue.
What?
Yeah, you get. I'll take a picture of you and Emerson with the car.
You can do all on the back here.
So cute. Thank you guys.
Yeah, I had the badge custom made.
Stay.
You don't understand, Michelle. The car's not drivable.
And you're lucky, aren't you?
Are you happy?
Oh, I'm like,
He's gonna come
I
around.
feel like I'm gonna cry.
You're allowed to try.
I'm just
Come on,
dying.
How special is photos?
It's
Anyway,
okay.
what do you think of the colour? What do these do?
Yeah,
What is that?
I'm just gonna break it.
Bottle flying up.
Some might explode.
That's on the train.
Can you believe that this is your car, Emerson? This is your car, yeah?
Own property.
You can drive it out today. Remember I said to you it might be a
But
good
you
idea
just
to
can't
drive
reverse
a car and bring it back on the ship? You still open to that now? And you're like, no, Michelle, you don't understand.
Sorry, mate, you're not allowed to touch the cars.
Did you know about this, did you?
Everyone knew, honey.
I'm standing down there going, because I thought that was the only set of those wheels in the country. I'm like, I can't believe someone's got the same rims as me and it's the same sort of car.
We've seen you on the security camera to make a bolt.
Yeah, he just made a beeline.
I had to look
for it.
inside and I saw the seats. I'm like, nah, this is my car. Oh my gosh. I have just never been so snuck up on like this, mate. That's unbelievable. Just looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, great.
Oh my god. You're in on this too, are you?
Well, just putting it in the museum.
Thanks, mate. I appreciate it. Ah, stress.
So, honey, are you happy with the way it turned out?
Did you see before? It was so beat up.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen progress pictures for the last year. It's been a work, and then I've been told to delete all the messages.
You understand, she's been playing this for ages.
You guys in on the third?
Yeah.
Yes, we are. How do you think I'm a bad actress?
You think we would
Greatest
willingly
actress.
go to a car show for no reason?
Do you remember when we meant to come down to the Mountain River and it got cancelled for like 3 days before? John's like, make this whole montage video of him going, flight's cancelled, and reversing the car back into his garage and everything. Because we were supposed to present it then to you. Anyway, you probably should come and say cheese. Cheese!
I didn't realise that was there.
I didn't notice it. I didn't
Situational
notice that either.
awareness. Situational
I didn't
awareness.
notice that either, and I was in on it. Did you notice it?